this video, we're working with a John Deere 7330. This tractor had a factory joystick and a factory valve in it already. What we're focusing on in this video is the hose kit and the soft ride kit that we supply, and that can be used when you're adding a loader to a tractor that already has the factory joystick and control valve. So we'll show some close-up shots of it, but first I'm going to talk about a little bit about the instructions that come with it. There's the complete written schematic, which shows all the components, which are clearly labeled in the hose kit, and then there's also the written installation instructions with some pictures. So that was for the hose kit, and then for the soft ride kit, there's also a complete schematic, and then there's the written installation instructions, also with some pictures for that as well. So straightforward to install hoses going from the factory valve up to the quick couplers, and then from the quick couplers up to the steel lines on the loader. And also it's fairly straightforward to attach a soft ride to it as well. Now the purpose of the soft ride accumulator, it's basically a cushion that is absorbing some of the shock on the loader itself. So for example, if you're carrying a bale across a field, you would turn the soft ride accumulator on, and then that would take some of that shock out of the loader. So it would extend the life of the loader, and then also it's just a more comfortable ride for the operator as well. And then the accumulator can actually also be turned off. For example, if you're digging, that gives you more precise control of your loader. This is the factory valve, which is included in the already installed on this John Deere 7330. Our hose kit starts with the fittings that are installed in the factory valve, and then these hoses are included in our kit. In this case, we are working with a 3-function factory valve, so there's 6 hoses coming here, and then just following the hoses up, they come up to the quick couplers here. The dust caps are included in the kit. The individual quick couplers are included. The mounting bracket is included. Just showing back here. This bracket's included, and then this black bracket here is included, which the quick couplers are attached to. And then just following the hoses up here. There's a hose wrap included to keep everything nice and tidy. And then this is the soft ride accumulator. It's turned on, can also be turned off as needed. Now this hose kit can be purchased with or without the accumulator. And then the hoses just continue on up where they attach to the steel lines of the loader. Also included in the kit is the hose clamps to keep the hoses nice and tidy, and then the hardware for installing that as well. Here we are at the rear of the tractor looking up from the location of the hitch. And what you're seeing here is this is the priority valve, which is included on this 7330. It's not necessarily always included on every 7330, but it is on this one. And then you can see the 3 hoses here. You've got your pressure, your return, and your load sense, which are already hooked in there and are supplying the oil flow to and from the factory valve. This is a close-up of the load sense, pressure, and return hoses plugged into the priority valve, which is installed on this John Deere 7330. This tractor has the factory joystick installed in the console. This is a close-up of the factory joystick, which is installed in the console of this 7330 and is easy to reach from the seat of the operator. It has the rocker switches on it for controlling the grapple.